So you gotta really ask yourself, do you want POVs that look like this? Hey y'all boys. That's not my intro. What's good, y'all boys, man? It's your boy Zed back here on another video, man. And it's about the title and thumbnail. We're going to get straight into it. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is make sure you set up your camera. You can't get anywhere without a proper setup, man. So I'm going to put my settings right here, and I'm going to pause, do whatever y'all need to do. And look at that. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so once y'all got them settings, y'all gonna need to go ahead and get y'all ND filters. This is also optional. You don't really need these, but I would prefer them if you want good quality all around, because when you're recording, you see how bright this is, right? I have on my shutter is at 1/60 or 60/1. My camera's not on auto, but if it was on auto, it'd probably be a little bit better. That's where the ND filter come in at. So for this, there is 4 ND filters, and I don't know why my pants looking like that. No, hold on. These right here. You got ND filter 8, 32, and this is 16. So whatever your lighting is, you choose whichever one for the proper lighting. So I'm gonna take off my lens I got on now, and I'm gonna show y'all if I can ever get it off. But my lens is off now. We're gonna use ND filter 8. I would not use 8 in this application, in this setting. But so now y'all can see when I take it off, when I put it back on, that's 8. This is ND 16, ND 32. It might look all the same, but it's not. So for this application, I would probably use ND filter 16. And if I was outside, I probably would use 32. But since I'm in the car, I would use 16. But anyways, I forgot to put my lens on, but y'all can still see me though. But anyways, that is it for the ND filter part. If y'all don't have an ND filter, y'all could have just skipped over this, but y'all could be here just for me. You know what I'm saying? Hell no, man. Who wouldn't? But anyway, I know my shirt wrinkly, bro. I just put it on to go out. Alright, so this part, man, we on the iPhone, but we're gonna get into audio. So I have on a media mod and something that you can use to plug your mic into, external monitor. You can also use it for whatever you need to connect your camera to. But anyways, I have a Rode mic on top. Y'all might be wondering what that is. This is my transmitter. It basically transmits like it says. And the mic is on my shirt right here, as y'all can see. This is the mic, the receiver part. And you plug that in, you slide the GoPro in, and boom, that's that. My car is loud. If you don't have a loud car or whatever you're using it for is not that loud, then you don't have to get all this extra fancy stuff like what I got. You can just record with the regular mic. I'm sure it will pick up your talking pretty good. But for me, you know, my car loud, so I use the Rode mic. Don't have your camera too high up when you're doing a POV. Like, don't have it all the way up here to the roof. Don't have it like it just up to you. But make sure you choosing your angles before you start recording, because you can mess up your whole entire footage with your camera all the way up here just because you did not look at your angle. So make sure you got the proper angle. Make sure your seat is back however you need it. Make sure everything is right for your angling, because it's better to do it now than later. And now we're on the last and final part. You know, all you got to do now is record. That's all you got to do. You might not be a professional at recording. You might not be a pro. You might not be a veteran. You might not be as good as me. But anyways, man, make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. It's your boy Zell, I'm out.
And I promise I am.